How to fix update CapCut to open this project. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step the possible method to fix can't open this project because it was created by a new version of CapCut. So as you can see now, I got this project from someone that shared with me. So now I'm using CapCut. So now if I want to open the project, if I tap on the project like this, so as you can see now, it give me this message which says this project is created by a newer version of CapCut. Update CapCut to open this project. So if you want to fix this problem, all you have to do now, there is no way you can fix this problem just to update the CapCut. Just tap on this update button. If you are using pre-version of CapCut, so after you update the CapCut, maybe it may ask you to subscribe for the CapCut Pro before you can be able to use the CapCut. So if the project has been created by the new version of CapCut, you cannot use the project on the older version of CapCut. And that's the only solution for now, because CapCut are getting even worse. You must subscribe before you can be able to use most of their features. And that's it, guys.